Hello everyone. Today I would like to present my topic about from inequality to instability, how economic gaps threaten social unity. These presentations discuss how economic inequality becomes a major cause of social problems and instability society. The next slide's about me, so let me introduce myself. My name is Nova Alicia Sambere, with student ID number is 25 10 81 2044 from group 1. The topic of these presentations is economic inequality as a main cause of social problems. So, we go to next slide is about introduction. So, in this slide introductions, we talk about economic inequality is becoming increasingly visible across the world. This inequality affects many aspects of life, such as education, healthcare, job opportunities, and even political influence. Therefore, economic inequality is not only an economic issue, but also in serious social problems that can threaten social stability. The main questions of these presentations is how do economic disorders trigger social divisions? So, we go to the next slide. The next slide is about impact on social trust. So, economic inequality has a strong impact on social trust. When inequality increases, trust in institutions and governments tends to weaken. People begin to feel that opportunities are unfairly distributed. For example, in Indonesia, there is a clear development gap between Jakarta and eastern regions. As a result, many young people feel excluded from equal access to education, employment, and public service. So, we talk next slide is about education's inequality. So, inequality is also clearly seen in the education sector. Many rural schools lack qualified teachers and digital research. The COVID-19 pandemic will need learning gaps, especially for students from low-income families. These conditions create long-term disadvantages and worsens both social and regional inequality. So, next slide, we talk about healthcare inequality. So, in healthcare inequality, we talking about healthcare inequality is another serious issue caused by economic gaps. There is a large difference in healthcare service between urban and rural areas. During the COVID-19 pandemic, equal access to healthcare became more visible. Wealthy people can access private hospitals, while poorer communities struggle to receive proper treatments. These two situations create distrust and a strong sense of injustice. So, in the next slides, we talk about social segregations. So, social segregations, economic inequality also led to social segregations. People from different income groups tend to live sparsely, with limited interactions between social classes. In these conditions, traces, stereotypes, and weaken social unity within society. So, next slide, we talk about global examples. In global examples, there are several global examples that show the impacts of economic inequality. The examples in France, the Yellow Vest protest between in 2018 and 2020 were triggered by economic injustice. In the United States, inequality has deepened political polarizations, and the next example is in Sri Lanka. The 2022 economic crisis led to riots and the resignation of the presidents. The examples show how inequality can lead to instability and conflict. Next slide, we talk about inequality in Indonesia research regions. In Indonesia, inequality is also visible in research-rich regions such as mining and plantations area local. Communities often feel excluded from the economic benefits generated in their regions. These situations create tensions, protests, and sometimes social conflict. And the next slide is about positive aspect of inequality. Although inequality has many negative effects, there are also some positive aspects. Inequality can motivate innovations and competitions. Wealthy groups can drive investment and contribute to economic growth. Okay, we go to the next slide. Is about negative impact. In negative impact, we talk about whoever the negative impact inequality are more dominant. They include increased crime rates, limited access to education and opportunities, and declining social solidarity. Economic inequality also increases social jealousies and tensions among communities. And then the next slide is about conclusion. So in my conclusions in conclusion, economic inequality threatens social unity, trust, and stability. To address this issue, redistribution policies such as fair taxation, free education, and job creation are needed. The ultimate goal is to create balance, competition, and stronger social cohesion with society. So, the last slide is I want to say thank you for you because your attentions. I hope these presentations help us better understand the dangers of economic inequality. So, this is me, Nova, and goodbye, guys.